Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us look at the headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurates India's first nano DAP fertilizer plant in Gujarat. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh reviews defence preparedness along forward post in Arunachal Pradesh. Durga Puja festivities conclude in Meghalaya with religious warmth. Department of Fire and Emergency Services suggests the state government to install fire hydrants in densely populated areas. The news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated India's first liquid nano diammonia phosphate DAP plant established by IFFCO at Kalol and in Gandhinagar today. Union Chemical and Fertilizer Minister Mansukh Mandavia also present in the occasion. IFFCO Chairman Dilip Singhani said this plant will hugely benefit the farmers and also help reduce the import of DAP in the country. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh celebrated the Shera with the army soldiers at the forward base in Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang today. He also performed Shastra Puja, the worship of weapons, on the occasion. The Defence Minister visited the forward post in Arunachal Pradesh and carried out first-hand on-ground assessment of the operational preparedness of the armed forces there. Singh expressed gratitude to the unyielding spirit, unwavering commitment, and the unparalleled courage of the troops, who are deployed on the borders in tough conditions but always ensure that the nation and its people are safe. He said the entire nation is proud of the armed forces and is standing with them.
चाहे भले ही हमारी जान चली जाए, लेकिन हमारे देश की सीमा सुरक्षित रहनी चाहिए और इसी स्वाभिमान की भावना के कारण ही भारत आजाद हुआ और उसी स्वाभिमान की भावना के कारण ही भारत की सीमाएं सुरक्षित रहेंगी और आपने सीमाओं को सुरक्षित बना रखा है। इसी कारण भारत की अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जगत में प्रतिष्ठा बड़ी तेजी के साथ बढ़ रही है। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के
The vibrant and spirited Durga Puja festivities in Meghalaya reached a grand conclusion today in different parts of the state. In Shillong, the Durga Puja immersion was held at Polo Immersion Ghat with full religious rituals. In Nongpo, thousands of devotees came together for a symbolic immersion of the goddess Durga. In Joai, enthusiastic members of the Sarabhajanin community emerged today to partake in the immersive procession ceremony held at the majestic Mintru River in Linter. The second of the Senghasi on Monday felicitated the meritorious students who have excelled in the board and university examinations held this year. The felicitation program was held at the hall of Senghasi Maukhar, Shillong, where a total of 11 students were felicitated at the same time. The Senghasi of the Senghasi also felicitated two of the prominent women personalities, Silbi Pasa and Switiman Rinja, for their contribution towards promotion of and preservation of the Khasi traditional folk music.
Kaya sneng kaya kraw, onde kerha kerhing, kebisni kepihun, kekeno pratenthok, nrei, ban penkil, ya di jinglong, di bakhut, di babha, kuno, ban kim, kuno, ban ayo yo kenra, baru kan, ijinikan dongki.
The Department of Fire and Emergency Services is looking to suggest the state government to install fire hydrants in densely populated areas, especially marketplaces where big fires tenders cannot enter. After a review meeting with senior officer at the conference room of the police headquarters, Francis Kharshieng, who is the IG of the Fire and Emergency Services, told reporters that they can use fire hydrants to quickly connect to water and enable immediate firefighting efforts by someone at the scene. He said this setup will be of great help to control fire while reinforcements are arriving.
That we set up water hydrants, fire hydrants, rather in dense localities and especially marketplaces where the large fire tenders cannot approach. So immediately we can use the hydrants to connect the water and send the water right ahead, and somebody in front can go and use and start firefighting immediately.
India has clinched 26 medals, 8 gold, 9 silver and 9 bronze at the ongoing Asian Para Games at Hangzhou, China. So far, the latest Indian to win a silver medal at the Games is Ravi Rongali in men's shot put F40 event with the best throw of 9.92 meters. Dual glory was brought to the country in men's 10-meter air pistol SH1 event with Rudransh Khandelwal securing the silver and Manish Narwal bringing the bronze home. India has sent a contingent of 303 athletes who are participating across 17 disciplines at Asia Para Games. Weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 21.1 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature recorded is 14.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 82% and the relative humidity in the evening was 86%. Rainfall was recorded at 0.3 millimeters and light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Before we conclude, let us look at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurates India's first liquid nano DAP fertilizer plant in Gujarat. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh review defence preparedness along forward posts in Arunachal Pradesh. Durga Puja festivities conclude in Meghalaya with religious warmth. And Department of Fire and Emergency Services suggests the state government to install fire hydrants in densely populated area. That is all for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.